Hey everyone, Ashley here for Red Apple Lipstick. In this video, I'm going to be creating a makeup look for going out and having coffee. The first eyeshadow that I'm going to be applying is in the shade called U Latte, and I'm going to be applying this all over my eyelids. Next, I'm going to be taking this eyeshadow in the shade called Espresso, and I'm going to be using our angled eyeliner brush to line my upper lash line. And now, to finish off the eyes, I'm going to be applying the Lash Project Mascara. To complete this look, I'm now going to be applying our lipstick in the shade called Vogue. And this is the completed look. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and take care. Bye!